How to turn off the safe chat in the Roblox. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can disable the safe chat in the Roblox. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in into your Roblox and you have to go in the home page. Now from here you have to click on the square icon that is in the top right corner and you have to go in the settings of your Roblox. Now once you are in these settings, here you have to go in the privacy and here you have to scroll down. Now here is the option of the communication. So basically all of the safe mode is here. Now from here you have to make sure that the account restriction is disabled, because if it is enabled you have to add the pin just like this, and if you click on this you are not able to disable this communication. So you have to disable this account restrictions first, and after that you have to go in the who can send me the message and who can send a text chat with me in a app, and after that you can go in the parental control, and here you have to make sure that in the allowed experiences it is enable of the all ages suitable for everyone. So this is how you can turn off the safe chat in the Roblox. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.